Oh, wow. That's really great, Mr. Kwai, because you can walk for 10 kilometers. Yeah, like walking is very important. Yeah,
Yeah.
it has so many benefits. Anyway, how's the weather in your place there?
Yes. Today the weather is sunny, very sunny, and the morning have a little the cold, a little cold, coldy, and cloudy, and the afternoon and the afternoon is very sunny. Yes.
Mm. w- Well, that's great because there's no
Yeah.
storm at all. Yeah, anyway, for today, we are going to continue with our lesson here in Unit 4, which is about relationships.
Yeah.
Yes. So last I asked you the question about who was the very first person who saw a potential in you and who believed in you. And you said that
Mm.
that was your dad. Am I right, Mr. Twai?
Yeah. Believe in you. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, maybe I will build the relationship with everyone,
Mm-hmm.
and and I I will try to build the relationship, and and try to keep the relationship. Yes, and sometimes support my colleague, my friends, my
Mm.
family. Yes, and I sometimes do or support them. Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, yes, it's good because you're willing to give all your best in order to strengthen the relationship that you have with everyone around you. Well, that's nice, Mr. Twight. And next we have here, forgive your mistakes. So of course, as human as we are not perfect. We make mistakes. But they said the more mistakes we make, the smarter we get. And of course, if you make mistake, just own it, be accountable for it, then be sorry, then do not do it again next time. So that's when we actually reflected on the mistakes that we make. Yes. Okay. So you know what, Mr. Twy? They said that forgiveness is another important thing in a relationship. Yes. So, why do you think that forgiveness is very important in a relationship, Mr. Tway?
Important in relationship. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, Actually, I think we should keep uh, keep trust with everyone. Keep trust with my family. Keep trust with my colleague, my friends. Yeah, and and sometimes to meet them, to meet uh, and and sometimes uh, bring
Oh, wait a
coffee.
minute, Mr. Tway. Excuse me, I'll just answer my phone.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Toy. Yes, I'm so sorry for that one, Mr. Toy. That was
Yeah,
actually a call from my colleague.
yeah. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
Anyway, so where were we? So you said about forgiveness, right? So go on, Mr. Toy.
Yeah. Yes. Actually, mm, the importance, the important in relationship is we we should keep uh, keep the trust with everyone. Yes, and and when we say
Mm,
we should do and follow it. Yeah, and if you if you more says uh, but uh, we don't we don't do or we don't work,
mm.
everyone will don't trust me, don't trust us. Yes, I think so. Yeah,
Yes, that's right. Because when you say sorry, you should mean it. That means you owned up your mistake, you regret it, and you're sorry for what you did because you realize that what you did was wrong. It's just that when we say sorry, just make sure that you don't
mm,
or you won't do it again next time. Because if you say sorry, then tomorrow you're gonna do the same mistake. That means you never learned from the mistake that you did in the past because
yeah,
it keeps coming back. So when you say sorry again and again, so it's like it's very useless like that.
yeah, yeah, I think so.
Okay. So here we have next give unconditionally.
Yeah, give unconditionally. Yeah, give un,
Yes.
yeah,
So we know that in a relationship um we have different love languages. Yeah, do you know what love language is, Mr. Twy?
love love language. Yes, no love language. I know
You know, all right. So there are different love languages. Um, First
language.
one, we
Yes.
have act of service.
Uh,
When we say act of service,
ah,
this is when, okay, for example, the way you express your love to your wife is through act of service by doing the
abs-
laundry, keeping your house clean, giving her a massage, like what's that? Like picking her up from work, driving her to work. Those are acts of service.
yeah,
Yes. Then we also have gift giving.
give me.
The way you express is by giving gift. It could
Yeah,
be a
yeah,
jewelry, necklace, money. So it depends on you. Okay, if that is your love language. Then we have acts of words of affirmation. When we say words of affirmation, this is when you say, you compliment your wife. You're so beautiful. Wow, I love your dress. You're so sexy. Like your
yeah.
hair looks nice. So those are words of affirmation. Then
Affirm
lastly, we have like quality time. Yeah, these
quality
are
time.
four common love languages. Quality time by just spending time with them. The more you spend time with that person, then the more you make them feel that you love them. Yeah. So here, Mr. Tai, in our relationship, Mr. Twy, um, it should be unconditional love. We give without any condition. We give wholeheartedly. It's not because they ask us, but we give out of willingness. Yeah, because it's so good to love unconditionally and to receive a love that actually matches your genuine intention. Yeah. So when we say unconditional love, that means you give, you do the laundry without condition. You give present without any condition or without expecting in return. You say beautiful to your wife because you mean it, and you spend time because you love that person. So yeah, because how do I say it? It's so good to be in a relationship without condition at all. Like for because of course it's not business. In business there are many conditions. Yeah. Like for example, we try to negotiate with our clients, and then we do businesses like, okay, I'm gonna give you this one in return, we should make more sales, like that. So that's something like that in business. So there is a condition, but in a relationship to the people that we love, it shouldn't be, it should be an unconditional love. Yes. So Mr. Twy, I
Yeah,
just share my thoughts about unconditional love. Yes.
yeah,
So
unconditional.
for you, Mr. Twy, like,
Yeah,
is unconditional love possible to everyone that you know? Why or why not?
yes. Um, I think unconditional, unconditional for everyone. It's positive, but some case negative because mm, we we have uh, we have other peoples
Mm-hmm.
or other peoples, yeah, on street in midnight. Uh, we can support them and uh, uh, when I see the people or the or person on midnight
Mm-hmm.
uh, have uh, broken broken pie. Yes, broken pie. I will uh, support the people go to your home, go to,
Yeah.
yes, and mm, I don't have condition, yes, and
Yes.
give unconditionally. Uh, Sometimes uh, I have the money
Mm-hmm.
for my family or for my friends.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I can support one time or
Yeah.
first time or second time, but do not have third time
Mm-hmm.
because they need to try and earn money and 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 to work. Yes, if we support them um, long time,
Mm-hmm.
I think they will don't do not work, and I think they 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 only give uh, uncondi- unconditionally, yes, from us.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
maybe I
that's right. And of course, if you love unconditionally, God will bless you
yeah,
thousands folds.
yeah,
Yes. Okay, you will be blessed in many ways, Mr. Twy. Well, it's great because you receive love unconditionally, and at the same way, you give and love without any conditions at all. Okay, now next, Mr. Twy, we have the word reliable. When you
reliable.
are um in a relationship with someone or with anybody, it could be at work, at home, or even with your family, you should be reliable. You should be someone whom they can trust and depend on.
yeah,
Because if you are a reliable person, then that means they you got them. Like, there's a saying that says, if you can be trusted with little things, then you can be trusted with big things.
big hint, yeah,
Yes. So, see, um, when it comes to being reliable, it starts with small actions because those small actions are significant for the big things in life to come.
yeah,
Yes. So, even at work, like being when you go to work late, that means you're not reliable at all, especially if that is a consistent behavior.
yeah,
Yeah. Like,
I true.
for example, there's a project that needs to be submitted by Friday. Then you would on it's already time to submit the project, but you would say some excuse because you were not able to submit the project or the report that is needed. Then that means you are not dependable, you are not a reliable person. When you say things, you should mean it. That's how we can prove to other people that we are reliable. Yes, and when you commit about some things, then yeah,
Yeah.
do it. Don't say or don't make any excuses by not just doing what you promise. Yes. Do you get what I mean, Mr. Twy?
Mm. Maybe I only understand a little.
A little. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, am I talking too fast?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Twy. So I'm just trying to say that if you are a reliable person, then
Yeah.
it should be wherever you are. Whenever you are at home,
Yeah.
your wife can trust on you and your wife
Yes.
can depend on you 100%. Even at work,
Yes.
we should be reliable. Even with our family, with our extended family, we should be someone whom they can trust. And you know what? When you commit on something, then do it. Do not make any excuses for not doing what you promise because that should show that you are not the person that is reliable. Yeah, same thing at work, Mr. Twy. When we go to work late and it is happening every time, always, every day, then of course that makes us not a reliable person. So, because there is a saying that goes, if you can be trusted with little things, how much more with the big things? But if you cannot be trusted by little things, then absolutely we cannot trust you with the big things in life. Yeah. Because I believe, Mr. Twilight, consistent behaviors are actually very important for the big things that will happen in our life. So even though that those are just little things, they matter so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in short, we should be a reliable person.
Yeah. Reliable version.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So why do you think, Mr. Twy, that being a reliable person is significant at work, at home, and to everyone that we know?
Significant. Yeah. Significant. Um, because the reliable versions is very important in my life,
Mm-hmm.
uh, in my work, and very important in families. Uh, because when the family have a work, if you the reliable person, everyone in family will 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 will, will wait from you,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe you you can you can analyze
Mm-hmm.
and shortlist uh, e- everything for our family,
Yeah.
uh, because but but the reliable person is has to uh, has to experience in my life, in my work. Yes, uh, and everything. The
Yeah.
yes, the reliable person can consultants and
Mm-hmm.
can resolve and can decide in eruptive in yes.
Mm-hmm.
First, the reliable person very important.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but uh, if you want to the reliable person, you will try to build every day, and
Yes.
yes, and uh, to keep relationship with everyone. Yeah.
Yes, that's true. Yes, it builds trust. And we know that trust is earned, not given. So
Yeah.
you have to earn it. Then how can we earn trust? By being a reliable person. Well, you
Yeah.
are absolutely right with that one, Mr. Twy. Now, next, oh, finally, we are done with all the vocabularies. So let
Yeah.
us move on now with phrases. So these are actually useful phrases that we can use in our everyday conversation with other people. But
Yeah.
of course, the phrases in here are related to our topic, which is relationship. Now, next, the first phrase is close to somebody.
Close to somebody. Yeah.
Yes. So, what makes you feel close to someone, Mr. Tway?
Uh, what might to some to with my friends. Sorry,
Yeah.
can
I
you
mean, how
the
can you
question?
tell? I mean, how can you tell that you are close to that person?
Uh-huh. Uh, I think the first time uh, my friend and me have a, a, a one puppy. Yes, and and mm, my friend and me can grow up together.
Mm,
Friend when we were young. Yes,
yeah.
because my friend and me uh, support and play and share information from my life is very
Mm,
difficult. Yeah, and uh, and nowadays and the company is very difficult have close the friends, close
yes.
friends. Yes, very difficult. Uh, and I think the relative mm, is very difficult close friends. Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Mm, because I think the relative uh,
Mm,
and my relative exclude my mother, my brother, or
mm,
my wife, or my brother, or my sister.
mhm.
Yes, exclude uh, maybe uncle, maybe uh, mm, other peoples in relative.
Yeah.
Yes, because uh, maybe in Vietnam is a lot of mm, a lot of always talk uh, always
Ah,
um, talk in my family to other people.
ah. That
Maybe
is
yes,
what we call chismes.
yes, maybe for example, if my family have a work,
Mm,
uh, my mother can share information to my relative.
mm.
Yes, and my relative goes to the market. They
Yeah,
can share information from my family to everyone.
that's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
because yes, because I think don't have uh, close friends with relative, but
Mm,
uh, but my friends can can close friend with my family.
mm.
Yes, uh, they can um, keep keep keep
Secrets?
yes secrets, keep secrets my family. Yes, and share information and support my family unconditionally. Yeah,
Oh, wow. Yes. So, in short, you're
yeah,
trying to say that friends
yeah,
are better than relatives.
yeah. Uh,
Is that right?
maybe yeah, maybe I think sometimes the
Mm,
people, yeah, sometimes the people uh do not uh do not owe people. Maybe the relative, if you if they support me or support us, and then
mm,
uh, and then we have to support them.
mm,
Yes, but the my friends are my friend in my family uh, uh, can support unconditionally. Yes, and or the neighbor can support unconditionally. Yes,
mm.
yeah, maybe because
Yeah.
I think uh, the people
Mm-hmm.
different. Yes, the people different, but
That's right.
we have a relationship in family,
Mm,
but not sure. Yes, do not sure support and support unconditionally.
yeah.
Yeah,
That
maybe.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
right. That's right, Mr. Twy, because you know what? Even other people would say that if you do something,
yeah,
our relatives, the people that we know, are the people who don't support us. But for those people who are a complete stranger to us, they are
mm,
the one who believe in us, who cheer for us, even though that they don't know us. I don't know why. It's probably because the people that are close to us, for example, like relatives, not all relatives are close to us. There are relatives who sees us as their competitor because some relatives want to compete in life. They want to be ahead of us. Okay, for example, if they see you succeeding in life, they don't like it,
mm,
so they feel threatened. For example, you are becoming rich and they are still poor, so of course they get jealous about your life. Then they say that, oh, why is he rich already? So they see you as a competitor, so they will try to drag you down with them. And that is what we call toxic mentality of our relatives,
mm,
because they don't support us. But of course not all relatives are like that. Some relatives are very supportive with our dreams, with our plans in life. But yeah, it just depends.
mm,
Yeah. So any yes, you mentioned about secrets when you shared about close to somebody, and yes, that's when we know that we are close to someone if we share secrets and we support each other through everything, even with difficult times in our life. Okay, now next we have here improve relationships.
yeah,
That means we strengthen our relationships. There are many ways to strengthen relationship. First, spend time with them, talk to them, update them with your life, like um say sorry when you make mistakes. That's very important.
yeah. Improve
Yes.
relationship.
So, Mr. Twy, I know that you had past relationships before that still were that I don't know how to say it. You had
Yeah,
different relationships before. It could be sister, brother, mother, father, wife, girlfriends, if you have plenty of girlfriends in the past like that. Okay, so what actions can help improve a broken relationship?
uh-huh. uh, yeah. We want to improve relationship with in my family.
Mm,
Uh, I I think uh, I can I can invite them to have dinner together,
mm,
and everyone can talk about together and talk about
mm,
share information, and anyone can say the difficult in your life.
mm,
Yeah, and, and to and sometimes everyone can meet and can meet and can talk, and so, sometimes I think I will give the money to my parents, uh, or sometimes I say my sister or my brother, you want to support me, and you want to support me, and you do you do work, uh, and you you have money, and you
mm,
can, yes, you can you can pay you can pay everything in your life,
mm,
uh, enough or not enough. I
yeah.
can, yes, I can support you a little, yeah, and and sometimes driver uh, everyone in my family to 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 uh, to go to the resort, go to the
Mm,
relax and enjoy, yes,
yeah.
to the supermarket, uh,
Mm.
yes, and as together, yeah, everything,
Right. Yeah, so that's how you improve your relationships with your loved ones by
yeah,
spending time with them, supporting them,
yeah,
whatever they need financially or
yeah.
moral support. Well, that's really nice of you, Mr. Twy. So how about broken relationships, Mr. Twy? When we say broken relationships, those are the relationships that probably didn't work. Yes. Or
Yeah,
forgotten relationships. Okay, like actually the actions that we can do to improve a broken relationship is just be honest with your feelings. Tell them
yeah,
what you feel. Yeah, like that. Then be willing to forgive and say sorry. Yeah, so those three actions are important to improve a relationship that has been broken. Because of course, it takes two people to tango. So it also takes two people to break a relationship.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So anyway, do you have any questions here, Mr. Twy?
Mm, yes. I think the next time, uh, can you mm, can you talk slow and and I can talk more. I can more talk because I want to improve skill speaking.
Mm,
Yeah, because I think I have a list of works.
yeah.
Maybe cannot understand when you say fast. Yeah,
Ah, all right.
yeah,
Yes. Oh, yes. Thank you for that suggestion, Mr. Twy. I'll try my best to cater your
yeah,
suggestions. And also
yeah,
next time, you can actually tell me, for example, I use some words that you don't know. You can say, what is? You ask me question. For
yeah,
example, if I say, it takes, for example, I would say, it takes two
yeah,
people to tango.
yeah,
Okay. So do you
yeah.
know these words? Do you know this phrase? Do you know what this means?
Tango. To tango
Yeah.
is play tango.
Yeah, like dance.
Yeah,
Yes. So, for example, if I this is only an example. If I
yeah,
say things like this, okay, and you're not sure what it means, you are free to ask questions like, "Oh, what do you mean by what you said?"
yeah,
Yeah. So that you can actually understand all the things that I say. Okay,
yeah,
but of course, I will try my best to speak slowly for you, Mr. Twight. So we are done. We're finally done with part two. So this is now reading and discussion. So
yeah,
I will let you read about this text, Mr. Twy.
yeah. Uh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. We all have relationships. We have relative, college, neighbors, and friends. Relationships are perhaps the most important part of our life. First, relationships give us emotional support in difficult times. Everyone's life has and down, up and down. When was when we when we are troubled, our relative and friends are always by our side. They are ready to help and encourage encourage us so that we can overcome these difficulties. They also bring us joy. Talking with friends or loved ones make us relax and comfortable. Furthermore, we get material support from our social relationships. They can support us with money, food, and shelter. In addition, having good or healthy relationship has a positive effect on health. It helps reduce stress. People with healthy relationships are generally happy with their life. They are less likely to have physical and mental health problems. In fact, it's a very difficult to build and maintain a good relationship. They take a lot of time and effort. But when we have good relationship our life, we become happier and more meaningful.
Yes,
Shadow.
thank you so much for reading that one, Mr. Twy. Okay, so I'm not gonna explain this because we are running out of time, but I'm going to correct some of the words that are mispronounced. So first we have encourage.
Yeah. Encourage.
Y-
Yes.
Yes, that's right. And
Encourage.
also lives.
Life.
Yes. Then lastly, we have, where is this? There's one. Oh, I cannot find it anymore.
Yeah.
That's it so far. So anyway, Mr. Twy. Oh, this one. Comfortable.
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 Comfortable. Not comfortable. Comfortable.
No,
Yeah.
comfortable like that.
Comfortable.
Okay, so
Yes.
anyway, we will discuss more about it on Thursday next week. Thank you so
Yes.
much for your time, Mr. Twy, and for sharing during
Yeah.
our session and for those suggestions. Then I'll see you next week. Have a good night, Mr. Twy.
Yeah. Thank you, teacher.
Good night. Bye.